Sendlane email marketing tool full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Sendlane is a powerful email marketing automation tool designed for e-commerce businesses and marketers looking to drive more targeted and personalized email campaigns. What sets Sendlane apart is its deep integration with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, allowing businesses to automatically trigger emails based on user behavior, like abandoned cart reminders, product recommendations, and post-purchase follow-ups. This level of automation is a game changer for improving customer engagement and boosting sales. One of the standout features of Sendlane is its robust segmentation capabilities. It lets you target your audience with laser precision by segmenting based on customer behavior, demographics, and purchase history. This results in highly personalized emails that resonate better with subscribers, leading to increased open rates and conversions. Sendlane also shines with its advanced analytics and reporting tools, giving you actionable insights into your email campaigns. You can track open rates, click-through rates, conversions, and more, helping you optimize future campaigns. Another impressive feature is its email builder, which is simple yet powerful. With drag-and-drop functionality, you can design beautiful emails without needing any coding skills. The platform also offers A/B testing, allowing you to test different variations of your emails to see what resonates best with your audience. However, Sendlane is not without its downsides. One limitation is its pricing. While the platform offers a lot of features, its pricing can be on the higher end, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting. Additionally, the learning curve can be steep for beginners, as the platform is packed with features that may take time to master. Overall, Sendlane is an excellent email marketing solution for e-commerce businesses looking for advanced automation, segmentation, and reporting. However, its pricing and complexity might make it less suitable for startups or smaller businesses with limited resources.